This tutorial will show you how to upload short video on YouTube and PC online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to upload a short form content video onto YouTube, assuming we have a short form video, as you currently see, it's currently in a 9:16 or short form content. Open up your search engine or browser device and then open up YouTube or go to youtube.com. And once youtube.com has been opened up and loaded, you want to go to the top right hand of the screen and click the first option right here, which says create, or should be this video icon next to the bell icon. And then basically you want to click the first option, which says upload video. Now once opened up and loaded, you have a couple different options. You can drag and drop the video file, or should I say you can drag it or you can drop it. In this case, I'm going to click select files, locate the short form video that you would like to upload to YouTube completely for free, and then click open on Windows or even Mac. Now basically, as you can see, our YouTube Shorts video is currently uploading, or should I say you have successfully just uploaded a short form video onto YouTube completely for free.